Hello, my name is Luis Gonzalez, and this is my Lean Six Sigma project for lean manufacturing in spring 2021. The objectives of this project are to implement Lean Six Sigma in the workplace, to find a way that allows the company to eliminate missed opportunity, to implement the DMAG methodology, and once the problem has been identified, make any suggestions or find a solution to the problem. The motivation that led me to do this project was to get more involved with the company and to feel like I'm a part of the company's success, and also to earn my yellow belt in Lean Six Sigma, which will lead me to the opportunity to participate in green belt training. Define is the first step of the DMAG methodology. While I was doing observations during a walkthrough at my job, I noticed that the material handling team was having issues with one of their loading valves. So the proper way to complete a transfer is by inputting a set point on the meter, so the automatic valve stops automatically once it hits its desired set point. During this observation, that was not the case. The valve was not closing when the set point was reached. This in turn causes delays because the rail cars are being filled under the max capacity, allowing for missed opportunity. In the measure phase of the DMAG methodology, the project was further looked at to record data on the issue of the valve not closing. Once the data was taken, it was vital to show management how important it is to implement a maintenance program to allow maintenance to inspect the equipment to fully function whenever it's needed. In order to do this, it was important to show them how much profit is actually being left on the table. In other words, missed opportunity. For every transfer, there is between 3,000 to 5,000 pounds of product now being sold. The availability is there, but the rail cars are not being loaded to their max capacity. As we can see here on the graph to the right, I have showed how many rail cars are loaded in 1 week and how many product is being put in, and in the red, it shows how much product is being left out in terms of profit. In the analyze phase for the DMAG methodology, a field study had to be made to further investigate the root cause of the problem. After further investigation, we noticed that the solenoid was not receiving signal from the PLC panel to stop once it hit the set point. As we can see here in this picture, which is the actual valve, is that the solenoid was not receiving the signal, causing the valve to not close. So the valve would just remain open and until somebody came and closed it manually. In the improved phase of the DMAG methodology, a corrective action had to be implemented in order to fix the problem right away. So a temporary maintenance request was issued while a long-term plan was in discussion to be in effect. And this is a maintenance request that I put in so the valve can either be further looked at or replaced if needed. In the control phase of the DMAG methodology, it's important to figure out a way to avoid this issue in the future. So a plan had to be made to completely eliminate this issue and have something in place to have the equipment inspected quarterly or semi-annually. As we can see here, once the plan was implemented, which was preventative maintenance, the missed opportunity fell from 72,800 to 1,400 in profit, reducing it by a total of 98%. So So the benefits in implementing Lean Six Sigma in my workplace was that I was able to allow the company to profit a little bit more per rail car that's shipped out of the plant, which also helped in avoiding delays if the rail cars were to get overloaded because the valve was not working on its own. The results of implementing the Lean Six Sigma in my workplace was that the DMAG methodology was implemented to put a plan in place to avoid future delays and increase profit and sales. And a PM program was put in place not only for from here to a year, but from here on out, they will have somebody go out and inspect all the equipment in order to keep it fully functioning to avoid any future malfunctions of the valve. In the end, I helped the company earn a few more extra in profit in just 1 month and eliminating missed opportunity, which would equal to hundreds of thousands of dollars if we were to go a whole year ignoring the issue and not doing something about it. And I was able to earn my yellow belt in Lean Six Sigma. And also after this project was completed, I earned the opportunity to be a part of the Greenbelt training, which would allow me to keep going within the company. Thank you.